Merry Christmas! Next stop is here, Rudolph. We've arrived at Lyla, Charlotte, and Alex's house. Oh, goodness, one of these years I'm going to finally get down these landings. Well, let's go ahead on inside and see what we can find this year at their house. They always do such a nice job decorating things. Ah, yes, here we are. Let's turn on a few lights so that we can see what we're doing. Oh, such a lovely tree as always. They do such a nice job with that. Oh, and I can see that Mommy and Daddy has already put out so many presents for them. They must have been very good girls this year. They're so lucky. Well, I think I still have a few other things that we can put out here, but it looks like they've already had a good year. Oh, and I can see our friend Christmas the elf is there in the tree for the last night. Oh, it's so good to see you again, Christmas. I hope that you've had a good time spending the month with Lyla and Charlotte. I've heard many great things about them, and thank you for bringing back those reports. So, if you don't mind, Christmas, it's time for you to come back with me on my sled, and we'll ride back to the North Pole after visiting all of the houses today. Ah, yes. Come on out of that tree. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. I know you've been having a great time here this year, but we have to come out. Oh, and I see over there, yes, the cookies, Christmas. Thank you for pointing those out. I do want to make sure I don't miss those, and I know that you love them too. I will try to save you a couple of bites. Uh-oh. It looks like Christmas has decided to play a few tricks on us before she leaves. I know you guys love playing tricks. No. Oh, no. Christmas, come on back. Christmas, come back here and fix these lights. We don't have time for this. I have to go to all of these other houses. What are you doing? That's not how the tree was when we got here. I can't leave the tree like this. Christmas, please, come back in here and fix... No, Christmas, this isn't right either. This is not the way the tree looked when I got here. Please, we have... What? This isn't right either. Why is this even an option on the tree? I can't even see what I'm doing right now. Oh, this is even worse. What kind of a tree would blink like this? Christmas. Oh, boy, that Christmas, she loves to play her tricks, just like I understand that you guys like to play tricks sometimes. Boy, I can see you've taught her a few new things this year. We'll have to work that out when we get back to the North Pole. Now, back to where we were. I think we were just talking about these cookies over here. I do love when people leave cookies behind for me. Ooh, we have chocolate chip and peanut butter with a Hershey kiss on it. And this is the first time I've had these chocolate ones with caramel. They are so good. I understand why your daddy always eats all of them and doesn't leave any for me. Well, you'll have to thank him for letting me have one this year. They are delicious. Just another few bites here. These are good cookies. Do you know how many cookies I eat in one night? Well, let's just say it's a lot, and it would be better if we don't tell Mrs. Claus how many cookies I've had so far this evening already. Oh, and I see you've also left me a lovely note behind this year. Let me take a look at it and read through this. Dear Santa, I love this holiday. You bring joy to everyone. That's so sweet. I'm going to sign this paper for you and leave it behind so that you know that Santa came and visited this year. And I just love the note that you've left behind. That's so nice. Now, back to where we were. I do have to get going, but we should make sure to leave some gifts behind that I brought with me. So we're going to put a few gifts over here in this spot next to the ones your parents have put out. We have a few more to put out over here. And I think I have a couple more in the bag over here as well. And let's see, I think there's still just a couple more left. And then we'll put out the stockings while I'm on my way out to make sure that you also get some nice things in your stockings as well. Well, very good, Lyla, Charlotte, and Alex. I appreciate all of the things you've done this year. You've had a great year in what's been a very strange year, I understand. And hopefully next Christmas, things will get back to normal. I'm going to turn out the lights just the way I found it, and we're going to head on out back the way we came. Oh, I see you've also left some treats outside for the reindeer. Oh, they always love having treats left behind. They're a little sloppy, and I apologize if they've left a mess on your porch. But hopefully it's not too much effort to clean that up. So, Lyla, Charlotte, and Alex, you had a great 2020. I can't wait to see you next year and hear more from Christmas the Elf on all of the nice things you've been doing. Here we go, Rudolph. Let's go. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.